Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and setting core options. This saves time later. Once signed in, pick a template that matches your goal, communication board, or custom page, because templates set layout rules. Make sure to select the correct language and symbol set so symbols map to words correctly. Then set page dimensions and margins. These control printing and screen display. This first phase primes the workspace, so edits stay consistent and compatible with classroom or device requirements. Now you focus on building the page. Add cells by dragging or using the Add menu and resize them to fit content. Once done, insert symbols, type text, or upload images. Make sure to set reading order so assistive tech reads correctly. Use grouping to move multiple cells together. Then adjust fonts, color contrast, borders, and spacing for clarity and accessibility. These choices affect comprehension and scanning speed, so test briefly on a device before proceeding to export. Finish by previewing full screen and tapping every target to confirm behavior. This verifies size and navigation. When satisfied, export as PDF or image for printing, or generate a share link and set collaborator permissions. Save versions to avoid losing changes. If something goes wrong, like missing symbols or incorrect fonts, refresh the symbol library, clear your browser cache, and reassign the correct symbol set. If issues persist, duplicate the page and rebuild one small section to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.